Hello everyone, so this is a pair of shoes that I decided to do. This is the box that they will come in, and it's pretty much the same logo on the box that I normally do on all of my shoes. But the name of these are Plenty of Fish in the Sea, and the box is somewhat designed like the shoes pretty much. So this is the box, and I'm going to open the box up so you can see what the inside of the box is like. So this is the inside of the box. And once again, I always include extra crystals in the box lid. You can see here is a little flap where I'm going to place some extra crystals on the inside before I ship the shoes. So this is the pair of shoes that I created. These shoes are a size 9. And they are a wedge heel shoe. They're open toe. And they are completely blinged out all over, as you can see. And I did them pretty much like in the aqua blue somewhat. And there's fish and coral and all that. I wanted these shoes to have pretty much as much color as I possibly could add into these shoes. I added. And I think they came out really cute. On the fish is actually about 3 fish, I believe, on each shoe. And I use like these little wiggly eyes pretty much in the center of the fish, as you can see here. And there's one also here. And there's another one on this side. So there's 3 fish throughout the whole entire shoe. And it took me a very long time to complete these because they're wedge heel shoes. They have an ankle strap as well. They're peep toe, as you can see. And the strap, the ankle strap is actually removable. So in this shoe you can see that I haven't added the strap into it yet. But you can wear them without the strap if you like to wear them without the strap as well. The strap on the shoe, I actually add a little bit of bling to the strap, but across where the holes are actually at where you buckle the shoe, I did not add any, as you can see on the very tip end of the shoe. But around the rest of the strap, I added crystals around the rest of the shoe. And I'm going to be listing these on eBay. The link will be in the info box. After I list them, I'm going to be listing them sometime today, hopefully, if I get around to doing it. So yeah, so that's basically it. Let me know what you think about these. Also, I still have the what I did was I actually created another pair because the first pair I had, someone purchased the shoes. But I'm not going to break this set. I still have the prom set available as well for those who are interested in it, and I'll show it to you right quick. So this is the first prom set. I think this is the prom set 1, which is the crystal AB set. And I'm just going to open it up so you can see. I still have that available. These are a size 9. The crystal AB set is a size 9. This is the handbag, the knuckle clutch, and the shoes and the bracelet. This is the bracelet I decided to include in the box for free. It's completely blinged out as well. And if I can, hold on, keep from knocking these out. Okay. And these are the shoes. They're crystal AB all over. Like I said, they're a size 9. They're peep toe. Size 9. So this is the prom set. This is a prom set 1. Bling my prom set 1. Which is the crystal AB set. Okay, so I also have Bling My Prom Set 2. This is the crystal clear set. So the rhinestones on these are crystal clear. These are a size 8. The bracelet, once again, comes with it for free. It also has a knuckle clutch as well. The knuckle clutch on this one is a little bit smaller than the Crystal AB one. The Crystal AB's knuckle clutch is much larger than this. But it's still a really cute handbag, and it's really cute for a prom. So this is the set that I have also. I still have it available as well. I hadn't listed it. I forgot actually that I had it because I sold one set and I had to replace the shoes because I had sold the other set. So I decided to show this to you again as well. So I'm going to be listing, all of these will be listed as well on my website. And we'll be having the next pair of shoes that I'm working on right now. I'm going to try to finish them by next week or week after next, hopefully, when I have time. They are a size 10 platform shoe. I'm not going to tell you what I'm doing to them yet, but they're a size 10 platform shoe. And I will be listing those one day next week. When I finish them, you would know. So if you follow me on Instagram, you'll probably see the shoes and designs and etc. You'll probably see them before I actually list the video here on YouTube. So if you follow me on Instagram, be sure you follow me on Instagram if you're interested in what items I'm blinging next. I also post it on Facebook, but mainly I post on Instagram first. So if you follow me on Instagram at Mechies Custom Bling with a Z at the end, the link is in the info box to my Instagram page. You will see the items before I actually list them. So that is basically it for everything. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.